welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Nigeria Salesian movie The Oratory premieres in theatres across Europe. Abel Chukwuenga Nwoga reports from Izeni Abaya in Izzi.
The Salesian movie, The Oratory, produced by the Nollywood Factory in collaboration with Salesians of Don Bosco, is premiered in theatre across Europe. The plight of street children in Nigeria and the work of Salesians with them are highlighted in the movie. It is directed by Obi Emelonye, a Nigerian film director, and produced by Dr. Cyril Odia, a Nigerian Salesian presently serving in Dublin, Ireland. The story raises awareness of homeless and street children in Nigeria and takes viewers through the life of Father Michael Simmons, an American Catholic priest on a missionary trip from Turin, Italy to Ikoyi, Lagos. Once in Lagos, Father Simmons witnesses the harsh life of street children in Mokako, a poor settlement with homes built on stilts on the Lagos Lagoon, and resolves to help them. To do that, Father Simmons must confront Sugar, a dangerous Mokako kingpin who has the street boys locked in a criminal servitude. The movie not only shows the importance of the work of Salesians, it also reinforces Pope Francis's Laudato Si message about caring for the environment.
Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints, and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 91 98310 20945. India Salesians hope to reach out to 10,000 families affected by flood. Project coordinator for Migrant Desk Project Jigyasa Kashyap reports from Guwahati.
Moscow Reach Out has initiated relief operations in the flood-affected districts of Assam, namely Dima Hasao, Karbi Anglong and Silchar. With the help of the parishes, relief materials have been sent out for the affected families across different areas in the districts. In the initial stage, about 1,000 families in the areas of Rengthama, Jalpara and Satgaon in Karbi Anglong have received relief materials from Moscow Reach Out. Around 10,000 more families will be receiving help across the state in the coming days.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Shillong. India training held for 376 Salesian cooperators, 203 cooperator aspirants from 28 centres. Provincial Delegate for Cooperators, Father Joseph Charles, reports from Trichy.
For the first time after COVID, provincial level orientation program was organized separately for all local delegates and local council members of the Association of the Salesian Cooperators. Trichy province has 28 local centers, of which 22 are full-fledged local centers, 2 sub-centers and 4 are aspirant centers. Of these, 19 local centers are animated by Salesians and 9 centers by Salesian sisters, with a total of 376 promised members and 203 aspirants. The training program was held in the FMA Provincial House, Manihandam, Trichy, on Sunday, 26 June 2022. Led by Trichy Provincial Father Agilan, 15 Salesians, 10 Salesian sisters and 26 lay persons animated the program.
Sonada, Australian alumnus, continues editing Salesian Bulletin at 91. Director of Radio Salesian, Father C.M. Paul, reports.
Salesian College Sonada alumnus, Australian Father Frank Freeman, is the senior most working editor of the Salesian Bulletin of Australia. Into the 39th year as editor, Freeman spent 3 years at Salesian College Sonada, Darjeeling, from 1952 to 1955, before taking up responsibilities in Australia. Born in 1931 at Ararat, Victoria, some 200 kilometers west of Melbourne, Freeman, along with his Salesian companions from Commonwealth countries, did both philosophy studies as well as graduation from Sonada. Life member of Australian Catholic Press Association, Freeman is also a popular writer, columnist and author. At present, there are 10 different Salesian Bulletin editions in the East Asia Oceania region and 7 editions in South Asia region.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.